Oh, good morning, Peter. Are you feeling better? Yes, thank you. I'm alright. Oh, what's wrong, Peter? Nothing. I hear it. Are you hiccuping? Yes, I'm just a little sick. So I need to call. That guy. His name is Broke. Alright. And also stay. I'll be back. I'll call him. Alright. Somebody calls me. Alright. What's the matter? Wait, what's the matter? Alright. What's the matter with the kid? My son is sick and he has an hiccuping. Would you wanna I need help, please. Yes, okie dokie. Let's see, I got it. Okay, alright, I hope your son feeling better. Alright, you're gonna stay here in the wall, and I'm gonna shoot the apple. Here's your apple on your head. Yes. You understand me? Yes, sure. Until alright. I'm gonna bring the gun. Here's the gun. I'm gonna shoot the apple. I'm gonna shoot the apple with the gun. I'm gonna shoot the apple with the gun. What? Are you crazy? Maybe you gonna kill my son. No, I'm not gonna kill his son. I'm gonna just shoot the apple. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Alright, I'll shoot the apple. Are you feeling better? Ah, it didn't work. Come on. Let's do another thing. One. Alright, you're coming. Yes, I am. Maybe you can. Wait, let's go outside. Maybe let's go outside. Alright, here we are. This is outside. Alright, what you do, Alan, is jump like this. Yeah. Try it. Alright, isn't it work? Come on, took a plan, Broke. What should we do? Maybe I have an pathetic idea for him. How about let's throw him at, how about the plane? Maybe that's a good idea. I'll follow you. Come on, okay. How I'm going to be feeling in my head. How I'm gonna feel so good. Well, let's go. Alright, so here's the plan. We need to fall out of plane, and this would work. Are you sure? Yes. Come on. No, I'm not. I'm not sure. Alright. To the count of three. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the proceed. Is that right? Oh, come on. Sorry. Sorry, Mr. Red. I didn't do that. Sorry. I go home. I can't help you. Oh, come on. What am I going to do? Come on. Let's get back here. I'll never be. I'll never be. No. No. It's over. It's over. This is no. This is over. This is no. Alright. Sorry. This is So how many times I should go? Maybe just a drink. I know. I had an idea. Just hurry up. I'm feeling better. Yeah, let's get out. The water. The water is important. The water save you. Yeah, we did it. You're feeling it. First up, you need to sit into the couch. What is it? How did you get it? Because I get it because I found the water. And the water, and I give you, and you drink the water. Yes, I drink. Yeah, alright, I'm going to I'm going to watch TV and sit with it in there.